true, growing out of the frames. It's the same for you. It's the same for me too. I keep on trying, searching for birds flying out.
All the people want more than just to be served something ready. They want to participate, they want to interact, they want to meet, and they want some experiences. And the same applies for restaurants and bars and anything that has to do something with food. So people want to come together.
Words like birds. Words like birds. Words like
Restorāna nozara kā tāda ir ļoti eklektiska. Ļoti vienāda jau sāka palikt. Viņa ir ļoti, ļoti maziņa, un man liekas, tā identitāte ir tieši tas, kas šeit tiek meklēts. Kas esam mēs ārzemēs?
I keep on trying, searching for birds flying out of my cage. It's the same for you. It's the same for me.
Šis pasākums ir tas, kas sniedz izglītību. Ja? Paplašina uzņēmēju to redzesloku, un jā, viņi vienkārši spēj salīdzināt sevi ar citiem. Ja? Un tādā veidā ieraugot to relatīvo savu atrašanās vietu uz to kopējā kvalitātes līnijā.
For you. It's the same for me too. It's the same for you. It's the same for you. It's the same for me too. It's the same for you. It's the same for me.
Mēs ļoti gribam, lai pēc šī pasākuma cilvēks iziet ārā radošāks, uzmundrinātāks, lai viņam ir idejas, kuras vēlties ikdienas darbā, un tojās vasaras sezona, lai viņam būtu lielāks stimuls strādāt ar savu kolektīvu, ar savu komandu.